Oh hey, didn't think you'd see me in the camo blind at Forest City Surplus. This is the G&G Scar. The G&G Scar is a licensed FN Herstal gun. M4 style magazine, Picatinny rails on the top, bottom and sides, pop-up adjustment. Front and top sights are adjustable. 6-position collapse in stock, also folding stock. Adjustable riser rail in the back. I chronographed the Scar between 390 and 410 feet per second with .2s. You can fit an 8.4 volt or 9.6 volt battery in the stock. Alright, it's time to go shoot this. So I folded up the stock, high capacity mag, so you got to spin her up, make sure she's nice and tight. Get 100 or 150 round bursts when it's spinned up really good. I just put a piece of paper down at the end of the range so you can see the BPS rate. Let's go. So that's a pretty good burst there. I'm guessing around 100 rounds. With the high cap mag, you're going to get 3 really long bursts like that out of a full mag. I'm really liking this gun. It's compact, it's easy to move with. Pull that back out. FN Herstal. We have a wide selection of airsoft in the tactical room at Forest City Surplus, and plenty of new stuff on the way. Keep an eye out for videos on the Mauser and the M14 SOCOM. I'm Jamie in the tactical room.